Hi, I'm Anthony with Bambiz, and welcome back to our channel. If you're an estate planning or elder law attorney who struggled with following up after community workshops, you're not alone. We hear this from a lot of our clients. Their workshops are full, but the conversion rates just aren't there. You might wonder, are they quality leads? Was my workshop not good enough? But in reality, it's often neither of those things. We found that many firms really struggle with following up effectively, so today we're tackling this common challenge. We'll explore effective strategies to keep leads warm and turn them into clients even when they don't respond right away. Consistency is key in follow-ups. It's crucial not to let leads go cold after your workshops. Sometimes, potential clients need time to consider their options before they respond, and it's important to stay on top of their mind during this period. Automating your follow-up process using tools like the Bambiz portal ensures that every potential client receives timely, personalized attention, keeping the conversation going without overwhelming your schedule. Keeping leads engaged involves more than just a thank you email after a workshop. Consider a series of follow-up actions, such as sending informative articles related to the workshop topics or inviting them to a private consultation for more personalized advice. Additionally, adding them to your weekly email newsletter can provide ongoing value, keeping them informed and engaged with your content regularly. If they couldn't make the first event, make sure to invite them to your next workshop. This continuous engagement shows your commitment to providing value regardless of their immediate response. Dealing with non-responsive leads can be discouraging, but don't give up too soon. Instead of writing them off, try varying your approach. Mix up your communications with emails, texts, or even a follow-up call. Sometimes, a different method of communication or a new piece of information can spark their interest. So consider asking for feedback on why they haven't responded. This not only gives you another touch point, but can also provide valuable insights into your client's needs and concerns. Are you ready to transform how you follow up with leads? Visit our website or schedule a free 15-minute call with our team to explore how the Bambiz portal and our tailored follow-up strategies can keep your leads engaged and more likely to convert. We're here to help you streamline your follow-up process and ensure no potential client slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell for more useful tips. Have a question? Drop a comment below and someone from our team will reach out. Stay proactive, keep engaging, and continue to grow your practice one successful follow-up at a time.